Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to log in to your BeReal account once you are logged out. So open up the BeReal app on your Android, iPhone or iPad. Right, so once you are here, if you are not updated the app, then please update the app from the Play Store or the App Store. So once you are here, you can see there is no direct login button here. Okay, there is no login button. Even if I skip it, then also it won't give me the login screen. So what you're going to do is simply click on get started or simply click on continue here, and it will take you to get started button. Again, you need to enter your name. Simply enter the name that you entered before. So this is not my real name, it is just the username kind of thing. Okay, click on continue at the bottom. Again, you need to enter your date of birth. So once you do this, again click on continue. Right, again enter the same number that you used before. Okay, that you used while creating your account. If you enter a new number, then it will create a new account and you don't want to do that. Okay, so enter the previous number of the account. Right, so once you do this, click on continue. Now again it will send a code on your phone and choose your country. Okay, here now it will send a code here, so that to verify my account, so you need to wait for a few seconds before the code arrives. Okay, 530711. Right, then continue will be automatically. Wait a few seconds, we are retrieving your contacts. All right, no problem. You can also skip at the top. Okay, let me do that. All right, now you can see I am logged into my account, and you can even see the this tweet kind of thing is called as BeReal here. All right, if I click on discovery, I can see BeReal from other people. Okay, so this is how you can log into your BeReal account again. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.